insects, even microorganisms, each specifically adapted to its environment and way of life. But with time, environment is changed. Mountains are trussed up, incredible canyons cut through the land. A rain of microscopic organisms fills in a lake, and in time, turning the lakebed into a meadow. Change, rapid or gradual, is the rule. This fact causes one of the greatest problems of evolutionary biology. If each species is fine-tuned to its environment, how can it survive environmental change? It is possible for the DNA of an organism to occasionally change or mutate. A mutation changes the DNA of an organism in a way that affects its offspring, either immediately or several generations down the line. The change brought about by a mutation is either beneficial, harmful, or neutral. If the change is harmful, then it is unlikely that the offspring will survive to reproduce, so the mutation dies out and goes nowhere. If the change is beneficial, then it is likely that the offspring will do better than other offspring, and so will reproduce more. Through reproduction, the beneficial mutation spreads. The process of killing bad mutations and spreading good mutations is called natural selection. Imagine to have a left feet on land. It's really hard and really awkward to walk. You can't even buy your own shoes. But as environment change, the large area covered with land and ice are now covered with water. This time, your webbed feet will be an advantage against other organisms. This adaptation is the key principle of natural selection. As mutations occur and spread over long periods of time, they cause new species to form. Over the course of many millions of years, the processes of mutation and natural selection have created every species of life that we see in the world today, from the simplest bacteria to humans and everything in between. Billions of years ago, according to the theory of evolution, chemicals randomly organized themselves into a self-replicating molecule. This spark of life was the seed of every living thing we see today. That simplest life form, through the processes of mutation and natural selection, has been shaped into every living species in the planet.
The evolution of biological diversity. Evolution of biological diversity. Evolution of biological diversity.
Evolution of biological diversity.
So what, we get drunk, so what, we smoke weed, we're just having fun, we don't care who sees. So what, we go out.